Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Edutainment, and I am Smita Singh going to teach you about the social blade. I'm going to talk about the social blade. So what is social blade? Here I'm going to explain you. So what is the use of it and how it is going to help you out? Here I'll explain each and everything. So social blade is a powerful tool that every YouTuber should have in their arsenal. It provides detailed analytics and insights into your YouTube channel's performance. So if you want to measure your channel's performance, you should have YouTube. I mean, you should have Social Blade. So it is allowing you to track your growth and make informed decisions. One of the key features of Social Blade is its ability to show you real-time subscriber count. So, blade is what? It is going to track your growth and performance, how you're performing, what is the growth of your channel, what is the work you're doing. If you're putting your 100%, then it is going to fruitful or not, and how it is going to help you out. So it is a sort of analytics. You can say it is analytics. It provides you insights of your channel. If it is provide it provides you insights of your videos, right? And this can be incredibly useful for monitoring your progress and seeing how well your content resonates with viewers. You can also see how many views each video gets and estimated earnings from ads. Another great feature of Social Blade is its ability to provide data on other YouTube channels. What is it? Another great feature of Social Blade is its ability to provide data on another YouTube channels. This means you can analyze your competitors' performance and see what strategies are working for them. So basically, what is the use of Social Blade? First of all, it gives you insight of your channel, your videos you are uploading on the channel, on your channel. So it's provide your channel's performance. It allows you to track growth and informed decisions. The very most important feature of Social Blade is its ability to show you real time subscribers. So you can count how many people coming to your videos and how they are subscribing. I means the real subscriber you can measure. I mean, you can count the real subscriber coming to your videos, coming to your channel. You can count them, at lifetime. You can say this can be incredible useful for monitoring your progress. So it monitors your progress of your channel, how well you are going to do, or how well you are resonating your viewers, right? You can also see how many views each video gets. So by Social Blade, you can view how many viewers are viewing your videos at that time. For example, if you want to count or measure the audience retention, you know as of now, what is the performance of your channel? So you can count them, how many people are live, means the retention of people, the live people are there on your channel. So you can count all of them by Social Blade. And you can and views, and how many views each video gets, and estimate earnings from ads. So you get that estimation as well, whether you are getting earnings from the ads or not. Another great feature of Social Blade is its ability to provide data on other YouTube channels. This means you can analyze your competitors' performance, like how they are performing and what strategies are working for them. You get that level of analytics, you can say, right? So this is how Social Blade is going to help you out. Guys, if you like my videos, if you find it helping or helpful, or giving you knowledge, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want me to create another video on the same subject, or if you want me to show you each and every features of Social Blade, please let me know. I'll make another video for you as well. Thank you for watching.